it's going to be hard to move around without some kind of disguise. Let me give you a piggyback ride, Corona, and we'll be covered.
Ugh! Hunter, this sheet smells awful. Are you sure this will work?
Sure it will. Maybe the smell will help keep the guards away.
We're about to find out.
Sector?
Sector! See? He didn't suspect a thing.
You there! Halt! What are you doing in this sector?
Hi, Sector.
Why aren't you at your post? You're wearing a blanket. Are you cold or something?
I have a cold. No, a flu bug. This.
Wow, that sounds bad. Really bad.
Yeah, my whole body is swollen and covered in bumps. I'm ashamed to show myself, or the other insects will make fun of me.
You should go home, my friend. Ugh, your exoskeleton has gone all soft like a human's. You'd better take the day off and see a medic.
Yeah, thanks, I'll do that. Okay, gotta go, see ya.
Hold it right there.
Yes?
You're so sick, I'm afraid you won't make it. Let me take you to the commander myself. Excuse me, Sector Commander.
What?
I have a worker here who has a terrible cold. I request permission to take him back to the barracks and make him some hot soup.
Are you going to tuck him in, too?
Oh, I don't think that will be necessary. What do you think? Where did he go? A little guy in a sheet.
Perhaps you're the one who'd better take the rest of the day off. It looks like you're seeing things.
Maybe you're right. I have been under a lot of stress lately.
Poor guy.